Hello there, I just got done reading Richard Wright's book, Native Son, right here. Oh my goodness. Where should I, well, for one, I'll put a link below to this on Amazon, this book. This book was under 400 pages. It is a story of a young man in the 1930s, a young African-American man in the 1930s, who finds himself in a situation where he is being tried for murder. And this is his story and kind of like what happens to the guy in the course of the whole situation. This is a really good book. I was not expecting it to be an emotional book, but there were 3 parts of this book that made me cry, like hardcore cry. Really, 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 really well written. You get I'd say a really good sense of the main character and kind of the mindset and the life of the main character. I feel like they do a really good job giving you a sense of who the main character is. The side characters, you get a general idea of who they are, but they don't really delve in as much as they do with the main character. I would highly recommend this book. If you enjoy books that are suspenseful, that are intense, there is some violence in this book, but not a ton of violence. I would say it's more of an emotional journey than it is a like intense, vivid, violent journey. So I would definitely recommend this book to others. If you have read this book, let me know what you thought of it in the comment section below. Would you recommend it to others? I would highly recommend it to others. I enjoyed it so much, I'm actually going to look and see what else this author has written and see if any of his other books would catch me. But yeah. Thank you so much for watching this book review. Let me know, like I said, if this type of book is one that you enjoy. Do you enjoy reading in general? Let me know down below. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.